Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to share with you guys how to create ebook courses easily. It's really easy. What you have to do, you just make sure you've done these two. The first one is subscribe to my channel, and then the second thing, you have to pay one AI tools called Gamma. Okay, how to pronounce in English? Gamma. I don't know. So GAMMA. So how to create ebook courses easily. So the concept is later I will show you how to doing that, exactly how to doing that. The concept is you have to gather your materials, whether from YouTube, your own experience, or your books, or your own knowledge, and then you have to sharpen it, sharpen the materials or fine-tuning the materials. Use ChatGPT, but after this I will not demo the ChatGPT. I will skip this step. This is important to use ChatGPT since ChatGPT is I think the best AI chat today, and many AI, I believe Gamma as well also take or use ChatGPT API to for their channel. I mean for their tools. So let's start how to doing that. And for instance, I will open it. I will gather the material only from YouTube, and I choose this Ali Abdal videos. This person is really good. I follow his journey. I follow his what is it called, his hustle to make money on YouTube. And yeah, you should subscribe to Ali Abdal and my channel. Okay, and then here, after you choose which videos that you want to create the e-course, of course it's supposed to be equal to your expertise, since when you sell your e-course you have to deliver it nicely. You have to persuade your audience, so you have to have the same expertise with the video you want to extract the content. So this is the Ali Abdal video about making money, and then go to this more and then find the transcript. This is the show transcript. You just click on it, and then here will show the transcript, and then copy all of them. I suggest you to go to ChatGPT to make it smoothly. Okay, copy all of them and go to Gamma. This is actually I already done this. I will not demo how to input on Gamma, but the thing is here I already have the PDF format of ebook about the content from Ali Abdal. I'm using the free subscription, and it's not really nice, I think. But if you subscribe to Gamma for the paid one, because I will do in a moment, maybe after this video or maybe tomorrow or after it, because it's really cool stuff. I think just this AI tools, this Gamma, convert your text into PDF, into a deck of slides. It's really cool stuff. And as you can see, I already done this, and then I have this Sellable I think this is Sellable ebook, becoming affiliate marketer, and then this is the explanation. Maybe next I will put some picture on it, and I will detailing. But the thing is, if I want to detailing this one, I have to subscribe or upgrade to Gamma Pro. So I believe you're already in the same page here. You have the idea. I just demo it the easy way, and you should explore by yourself. But the thing is, it is possible to create ebook courses very easy. And lastly, don't forget, you should sell ebook as your expertise, please, because many of them out there selling something that they don't understand. Should I consider it as a scam? I don't know, but I strongly suggest you to sell ebook that actually your expertise. Even if you get the materials from YouTube, from Google, from ChatGPT, anything. That's it guys, this video. I hope you could get insight from this, and I hope you could get money by creating e-course ebook. And see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.